Ifoma, so you still did not include your friends in the dance rehearsal after everything I told you?
So they've already come to report to you. It's obvious they have enough time to waste as jobless people that they have been.
My friend, you don't walk away from me with that man. Are you mad? Sister, are you insane? I can see you've grown wings. If I go and cook, I will clip them one after the other for you. Are you mad?
Sister.
I'm talking, you're walking out.
Sister, leave me alone, oh. Just leave me alone. If you want me to disrespect you, I will not just do that, oh. I will so insult you if you keep taunting me because of those girls. You will tell me what your interest is in this matter. Then you're carrying it on your head like this.
Ifoma, am I the one you're talking to like that?
Yes.
Ifoma, I'm the one you're talking to.
Yes. Do your work.
Sister Eche, you need to take it easy.
What do you mean take it easy? What do you mean take it easy? Ifoma has insulted me enough. But don't worry. I'll cure that madness for her. I will give her remedy to that her madness. That stupid madness, I will cure it for her.
Auntie, please stop taking insults on our behalf. We too, we are tired of an insult. Please, we are tired.
Honestly, I think the best thing to do is just to let her be, because the more we keep begging her, she keeps feeling on top of the world.
Yes.
That's what I feel. We should just let her be.
You know what? You two are right. You're right. But don't worry. The table will turn soon, okay? I'll make sure it turns. I'll make sure Eddie hires the two groups. Do you understand? So all you need to do for me is practice very hard. Make sure you practice hard. Do you understand? So that on that day, your group will outshine her group. Since she wants to have sense, I'll give her sense. Do you understand?
Yes, sister.
Good.
Auntie, I think there will be no need for that.
What do you mean there will be no need for that? Do you want to quit?
No. We are not quitting. Like you've done more than enough for us. And we'll find a way to appreciate you. But let's just take it from me.
Don't worry yourself. Take it from her.
Okay, no problem. But if you need my help, just let me know. Okay, don't hesitate.
Thank you. Yes, thank you, sister. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Thank
Take care of
you.
yourself.
All
Like I
right.
said, practice hard.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes.
But don't
Thank
go
you.
fighting. Just practice like I
No,
told you.
We're not fighting.
I have a plan.
No problem.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
God bless you.
You know that when I came here, I was surprised to see that the palace was not on fire. Because the way you sounded over the phone, there is trouble. I said, talk to me, princess. What is the problem? I said, no, it is not a matter that we talk about on the phone. And I'm here. You are here now. You're still looking very pretty.
Seriously. Yeah, there may be no trouble, but there's trouble somehow, technically.
Hi. What is the trouble? Now you're getting me agitated, Ogene. Away from men.
Seriously, yeah. I do not know why people that have pure intentions and good plans just relax too much and just feel that things will work out for them naturally.
What are you talking about?
It's like just 2 days to your Nze confinement and you haven't even come to see my father, His Majesty.
Oh, I didn't come back. I did not know that I have to come and see the king. Or I have to be coming and coming and coming. I did not know. Forgive me. So I have to come and see him.
Wait, do you know how many people have been coming here to lobby against your conferment? Even people who do not live in this community, they have been calling my father, trying to dissuade him. And you're asking me if you have to be coming.
Ndobiakpo. They can never see someone who has the heart to move a people forward and help the person. It is general, not just in this kingdom. See what happened with INEC. They stole the mandate of the people. But these people here cannot steal my mandate. I am going to break this record. I am telling you. If there's something I don't know, let them put me right. Let me do it right. They are telling... so they want the king. But they have failed because I have you. They have failed. This whole thing is becoming a problem. If they don't want me anymore, let them tell me. Let me just go and rest. I'll withdraw and go back and go and rest.
Exactly my point. That is what they are trying to do. And you too, you would have your conscience to contend with if you back out now. Listen, I'm only doing this because I have the interest of the community at heart and then my father's interest too. All those people that they don't want the best for him. They don't want any good for him.
It's okay, I've heard what you said. Princess. You have a point. Hi. You know you are what they call beauty and brains. You are not only beautiful, but your brain is also very beautiful. Let me tell you the truth. Honestly, I know that the Igwe's biggest investment is you. Oh, yes. Oh. It is very good that when you have a child, you train the child well. See how you're talking. And there's so much sense in what you're saying. You did not just go to abroad, just go and take pictures and post on social media. You went there, you studied, and you came back with plenty sense. As much as I am not happy with the way people here are treating me, but you have been like a very strong support to me. And I am going to do what you have said. I am going to listen to you. I am going to do something about it. Meanwhile, I don't see all these people standing around you. Where are they? Yeah, and they are now Seriously,
I can't stand those people, like those oddlies. I don't need them. And I told my father so. I just like to be on my own. Why do I have guards and maids follow? No, I don't like this.
You're different.
When are you coming to see my father?
Tomorrow, 2 p.m. I'll be here.
Tomorrow?
2 p.m. Tell the Igwe 2 p.m. Edi Bongo is here.
Promise.
With all my heart. Edi
Bongo.
Smile again, because...
Ma, can you tell me what exactly are you doing now to tame this lunatic called Edwin? Eh? The fool is waxing stronger day by day. Can you imagine that he has started the scholarship program for the youths? And they're all there singing his praises anywhere one pushes his head. Eh?
Uncle, that is not possible. He doesn't have that financial muscle to give that kind of scholarship.
I said stop. Because he as well, you're not understanding me. He has not gotten that financial muscle. When he has bought virtually the heart of everybody, including the princess. I even heard that he has given her money for the children's education program she has been longing for.
Uncle, he may have given her money good and fine, but he can never get the heart of the princess, that
stop.
I know.
All I know now is that you have confirmed the fact that your brain has problem. Now you're almost mentally deranged, if I say that. Because look at what they are saying now. Eh? Look at it. Listen to me. Go and know what to do, because you cannot just stop my ambition. You can't stop my ambition. You can't stop it.
Uncle, I don't understand. I am the one.
Stop! Stop! Listen to me. Who is your uncle? Who is even your uncle? I am not your uncle. In fact, I expect you to be as smart and as intelligent as your father.
Uncle, you're overreacting. Honestly, don't worry, I will expedite my actions. I promise you that. Hold me by my word. I promise you that.
You better do. You better do it, and do it now. Now! Okay, no, hey! I cannot fall so cheap in this battle for supremacy. I cannot feel so cheap. I cannot. No. Not when I'm still alive. I'm watching.
Hey! I'm just coming from your house right now, so I didn't meet anyone at home.
My house?
Yes.
You mean my house? Because you have never visited us for a very long time now. Apart from those days you're showing your interest on my daughter Eche. I hope all is well, Nna.
Mama, all is well. But at the same time, all is not well.
What is wrong? All is well at the same time. All is not well.
Mama, is it that small boy that throws money around on your daughter? Have you tried finding out what that young man does for a living?
You mean Edwin?
I don't care to know what his name is.
Hey, I guess this is jealousy. Because he won you in the battle of love.
Won me? Me, jealous of that fool? Eh? How can you compare that fool to me? Then I compare that fool with. In case you don't know, let me play the tape for you so you understand. Okay. I traveled to the city to make inquiries about that stupid boy. And I found out that he is into armed robbery and kidnapping.
Huh?
Oh yes. As I'm talking to you right now, he's on a wanted list of the police SARS. And I cho. Huh? If you don't... Oh,
police.
well, yes.
Police.
Go now. If you make those idiots, those stupid idiots that are singing his praises, they won't be left out. I can't get Alofan there. Yeah?
Nam, Biko, when you. Yeah, you bunina, you na kawarumbuna. Agwa madam, agwamuka, adiroma.
Go, nyabe fenna kawalogi. On a atom mado.
Hey!
On a ebu mado, on a quafu obala. Eh? Akayado, his hands are not clean. Egon spent in our head, but Ego no he. Again, we go back. Blood money, that's why he's a kidnapper. Huh?
Mama, what happened?
Eche, where are you coming from?
Eddie's house.
From Eddie's house, right?
Yes, ma'am.
My daughter, let me ask you a question. Have you ever asked Eddie the business he does in the city to make all this money that he throws around? Have you taken your time to ask him?
Mama, I've asked him. But he did not really give me any serious answer.
Oh, that means the young man was right.
What are you talking about? Moreover, who is this young man that is feeding you with this nonsense?
Chiwata. He said that the news is all over the city.
Mama, you of all people know that Chinwata is jealous. He has always been jealous of Eddie. It's just jealousy that is eating that guy up. They've been long-age rivals. We all know about this in this village. So why are you listening to his nonsense? Besides, Mama, I don't even understand where all this kidnapping and robbery thing is coming from. Eddie does not stay in any city in Nigeria. He stays abroad. On abroad, one who is Woshi. Everybody that goes abroad makes it. Why can't you people just be happy for this young man? Mama, Biko. I was thinking something very important.
Okay. Yes, he came back from abroad. Eddie came back from abroad. With all those thugs that carry gun about. Okay? Those thugs that follow him. All of them came back from abroad. Okay? Ihe chọrọ ịgwa m na ndị abụ egbe na-esogharị ya ha nche niile si obodo oyibo nataba ya n'obodo oyibo ka o si kporo ha nata. Echezona, how many times did I call you? Use your head. You better use your head. Ha nche niile si abroad buru egbe from abroad nata obodo a. Ọkwa ya? Ọ ihe chọrọ ime ka m mata. Nakwa gị.
Is it from evil plans before it's too late? Evil plans, the baginaku. Ayubu, Nebora Jakapa. You cannot fight whom God has placed. If I were the Naija, Kachuku Nyeranaka. Very Marugo, Nasa.
My beautiful princess.
Dad. Dad, I didn't think you'd be the one, Dad. I thought you'd still be in the meeting.
Well, we're done. It was actually a brief one.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you busy?
Yes, Dad. I am working on the new project. Yes, the architect sent some designs for the building. Look at it, Dad. Really nice. You know, the money Eddie sends into my accounts will be enough for the kindergarten, the nursery, and the primary schools. Like, seriously, Dad, that man is a big blessing, like a huge one, to this community.
That's great. But enough of those encomiums. I hope his intentions are as genuine as it appears on the surface.
Dad, come on. Please don't start, Dad. Please.
It's
Please.
all right. Don't let this divert my attention from what actually brought me here.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I want to inform my beautiful princess I'll be traveling tomorrow to the city.
Really?
Yes. I want to meet with the management of a company that intends to site a factory in our kingdom.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
Dad, you're traveling tomorrow? And you didn't even tell me that there's a company that wants to site a factory in this community. You've never mentioned it.
Neither have you told me that you now rule my kingdom with me. Anyway, they came through one of my cabinet chiefs, and I'll be traveling with that chief tomorrow.
Dad, you're traveling with the chief? Which of the chiefs, Dad?
I thought after they must have finished dancing for the bongo that they will no longer come to the village town. Hey, they pack all the money, yet they are still coming to village town.
I see the sweet us.
He dey paint them. I see they paint them. Omo, he dey sweet us.
And bitterness will kill all of you. The main thing is that we have danced. And the whole community have watched us. Look at her. In front of her. Say you no fair. Black you no black.
Dad, I can't believe you're leaving this house without giving me a goodbye kiss, Dad. Is it because of what happened yesterday? Dad, I'm sorry. Please, in fact, I promise I would not interfere anymore. Please.
Are you sure?
Yes, Daddy, I promise.
Come to Daddy.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you. Oh, sorry, I can see you're leaving now.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Daddy, please, when you get there, make sure that the bargain is in your favor, 100%. Anything less than that, please don't take it. It has to be in your favor. Dad, you understand what I mean?
Now you are interfering again.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I'm sorry about that. I promise I won't do it again.
It's all right. Take care of yourself, okay?
I will, Daddy.
All right.
Daddy, you haven't still given it to me. The goodbye kiss I asked for. As usual. Mwah.
It's all right.
All right, Daddy. Have a nice day.
You too.
Igwe.
All right.
If you call up Eddie Bongo, you go listen. Babango. If you call up Eddie Bongo, you go listen. You go receive. Get out the road of Eddie Bongo, you go listen. The record breaker. Ofumana Bonafa, the record breaker, you go listen. Ofumana Melo, baby, you go listen. Just call up Eddie Bongo, you go listen.
What is the problem? I thought I told you that at the right time I will explain to you. So
No, Eddie, you tell me now. You tell me now. If I'm your wife to be, then you have to tell me now, because tongues are already wagging in the village.
Tongues are wagging that what? Now me again.
That you made your money through robbery and kidnapping. That's what people are saying.
Hey!
Please, talk to me, open up to me.
Asam, show me one successful person that does not have enemies. One. Odoropo. You gotta go. Once you're successful, you gotta name Winden Tajianya. You gotta go. People who cannot do what you have done to be successful will say that you stole. You are a ritualist. You stole government funds. That you kidnap people. That you buy human parts. All kinds of talk from lazy people who cannot get up and walk. Omali Chanwam, you are my wife to be. But calm on down. What if you relax?
Where are your guards?
Ajebozi, I told them to go to town to do 1 or 2 for me. You gotta go. I want you to know that my money is clean. The source of this wealth is clean. Calm on down. What if you I'm going to tell you when the time comes.
It's better you tell me than hearing it from outside.
I will tell you. No, go on if you come here. No, come on down. Come on down.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
The princess wants to see you, sir.
More.
Yes, sir.
Adukanama.
Adnama, sir. I want to see you like now.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, sir.
Tell the princess now.
Okay, sir.
You wanna go?
Alright, sir.
Why does she want to see you?
Palace, here I come. Okay, not here now. Okay, now they say the princess wants to see. Do I know? I will get there and I will find out. Let us go now. Some guy, let's go. Let us go now. Let's go.
If you call him Eddie Bongo, you go receive Babanko. If you call him Eddie Bongo, you go receive. You go receive. Get out the road of Eddie Bongo. You go receive. The record breaker. Ofumwana bonafa, the record breaker. You go receive. Evidence. Ofumwana melo bebe. You go receive. Evidence. Just call him Eddie Bongo. You go receive. Evidence. Money is not his problems. You go receive. Evidence. Eddie Bongo, what can you got the shop for me?
Oh my God. I said it. I felt it and I was trying to tell him, but he just wouldn't let me talk. He wouldn't let me talk. He wouldn't let me listen.
Calm down.
Okay, princess. Calm down. Let me get what you're trying to say. What happened?
He said he had a meeting and he was going to go with one of the chiefs. So they left. Only for someone to call me and tell me that His Majesty has been assassinated. Oh my God.
Slow down. But do you know who this person is? Do you know who the person is, or do you know where this happened?
I think he said a name like Achilike or but that voice sounded like Chiwata's voice. And he said that they found their corpse by the roadside, my father's car. I don't understand. Is it that my father is dead or something? Someone should tell me what's going on.
Let's go.
You know the place, right? You know the place. Did you see their body? Are they in the mortuary?
I only saw the Igwe's driver. His body, but the Igwe's body is not there.
Where is he now? The driver left with him this morning. The driver's body is dead. Then where is he? What did they do with the body? Where did they take him?
At least this shows that he's alive, okay?
I can't calm down. I need answers.
The driver's body is the only one here. That means
I need
he's alive.
Calm down.
Take it easy.
Where is his body? Where is his body?
My princess,
Show
calm
me
down.
his body. I want to see him. Where is he now?
But what if he's alive?
Then where is he? He should come out if he's alive now.
Calm down. Take it easy. Calm down so you don't wound yourself. Just take it easy. Baby, what do we do next?
Sorry, huh? Sorry. But don't worry. Nothing will happen. Please. Assam, I'd like you to, stay with her so that you can keep her company.
It's okay. I'll be okay. Don't worry. You can go. Please.
I am not doing anything today. I'm at your service. I'm not going anywhere.
Princess, let her stay. At times like this, you need people around you.
Exactly.
You go. I can't. I wish I could, but I cannot because I still have to go to town to go sort one or two. But you see now, you're crying.
My daddy, my daddy.
You see why I say
it's okay.
Stop crying.
It's okay. It's okay.
If you continue crying like this,
find him. You'll find him. It's okay. We will find him.
Stop crying.
It's okay. Don't.
Let me.
I'm not doing anything.
Let me. I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll be back.
He will come back. Ondo. He will come back. He will come back. Ozuko. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. It's okay.
Edwin will not kill me.
Hey, brother.
What is going on?
Edwin.
Okay.
Edwin.
Huh?
Tell me that you didn't do it.
You didn't do what?
Tell me that you did not do it. Where are you coming from?
Okay, I was here now. I was here when the princess sent one of the guards to come and tell me that she needs my attention, that the Igwe has been assassinated.
Oh. Eddie. So, you assassinated the king, eh? Where are those your thoughts?
Ada, you're here.
Brother,
can you hear your mother?
Brother, that has been the news.
Mama.
That has been the news making the rounds. That you send your talks to assassinate the king because you want to become the next king.
Jesus Christ. Where is this coming from?
Brother, it was Mazi Akukaria and his nephew Chiwata. They said you said it yourself one day in the palace that you're going to kill the king and become the next king.
Is that what I said?
Hey, brother, I'm confused.
Tell me you didn't do it. Or maybe those your criminal thoughts did. Just tell me the truth.
Mommy, so you believe that I killed Igwe? Igwe. I told you yesterday that I am sending my boys to the city to get me money. Is that not what I said? The fact that I need the cash in your is that not what I said? And because my boys are not around now, you think that I have said my talks. Mommy, me. Hi. It's okay.
I don't know what to do anymore. Daddy, come. Daddy, please.
Don't do anything stupid. Brother, please don't do anything stupid. Brother. Mama, you should not have said it like that now. You should not have said it openly.
I don't know which one to believe.
But you should not have said it like that now.
Eh?
But you know the way brother is reasoning. See now, he's angry. And I don't know what is in his mind now, eh? Hey! Oh, what kind of news is this now, eh?
Hey! It has happened. It has happened, oh. Omego kwabu no omego. When I was saying it, everybody thought I was mad. It has happened. The wind has blown and everybody is seeing the rump of the fowl. There is fire on the mountain, oh. You can get up for run. I said it. Eddie Bongo here. Eddie Bongo. It has happened. Let that girl, Eche, come back. Come and meet me. Let me know if I am her mother or not. It has happened. Where are you running to? Ebe ko Eje. Eddie Bongo, Aneko, Eddie Bongo, Anebugari ego. It has happened. Can you hear me? Omego, you are crying. Stop crying, oh. Because Akayabekwa here, they will still come. I said it.
Eddie Bongo, I know how painful this issue is to you and anybody who it could be. But I wouldn't like you to weep over it. Because the Nzes do not weep. Because their tears are very precious. Please. Just bear it manly. Okay? Okay?
Nze, how do you expect me to deal with this kind of pain and disappointment now? Nze, this is my family we're talking about. This is my mother. How can she believe that kind of allegation about me? And do you expect me to just take it?
Hi. Nkiru, sincerely speaking, I am totally disappointed at you. Forever entertaining such a thought that your son here could commit such heinous crime, heinous act. Why, Nkiru? No, have you forgotten the antecedents of Akokalia and the Achilike, his purported nephew? Have you?
Did you say Achilike?
Yes.
That is the same man the princess told me broke the news to her. So you see that she was not entirely wrong when she said that the voice sounded like Chimota's voice. Are you seeing the connection here?
Ha! Oh, let it go. Well, don't bother yourself. I'm embarking on the journey. You get me? This is our king we are talking about. Our king. No. He can't die like a rat. Never. Of our dead body will he die like that.
So wherever you're going, I'm coming with you. I'm embarking on that journey with you. I'm not going to stay here. No. It is clear that my coming back home was a mistake. Man over here.
My son, please stop. Just stop saying that. Stop saying that. Please. Listen. The coincidences are enough proof to convince anybody that the allegation is real. So calm down. You hear me?
Please, in the name of God, I beg you. Please help me beg my son for me. I know I've offended him. He should please forgive me. Because I'm a major go give me God. Please forgive me.
Brother, please. I know what Mama and I did was very wrong. But we are truly sorry. It will never happen again. You're all that we have, brother. Please, we are sorry. Please.
Please, let me be on my way. Please. It's getting late already. Please. I'll see you when I come back.
No more witnesses. We are very sorry, brother. It will never happen again.
He must go to jail. I swear. Is he jail? He must go to jail. How dare he challenges men like us that on ground? When he knows that his hands are not clean. He then lay his hands on our king. He will definitely suffer for this. Not only him. Everyone that associates with him. They will suffer.
But why are you sounding as if you're so sure of what you're saying? Because as long as I'm concerned, it's only you and your uncle where they carry fake news around here. Yes.
What are you saying when you're worried? He said it before the elders that he will mount the throne if the king refuses him to fence the village. The elders heard it, that he will mount the throne if the Igwe refuses him to fence the village.
But Edibongo doesn't have that capacity. I don't trust you.
How will you trust me? No, you will not trust me. You will not believe me. Why will you believe me? When is one of the guys that patronizes you most in this place with his blood money? Ego bala. Why will you believe me? But mark my word. Everyone that associates himself with that guy, all of them will go down.
Let me ask you this question. You are too excited. And since when I know you, I've never seen you happy like this before. So what is going on? But that's the truth. You never did happy like this. So wetin dey happen? You never did happy like this.
You know, my medulla have now relaxed. I was so astonished by the mesmerizing vituperation of that egalitarian bully. You know? But I know we shall match him force for force. I know that.
No, this whole thing has just turned my stomach. I don't know what to do. I've just lost the appetite to yell anybody. Just to help anybody now is irritating me. Because I don't understand. Can you find me in there? Is it bad that I came back to this community?
No.
Eh?
Please, Edibondus, my brother. Please, you can't punish everyone because of some people's sin. Bikono, show mercy.
Why not? Why not? These are the same people that are threatening to take him to the hangman's gallows for being benevolent. Just to hang him for nothing. Listen, bro, it is only Jesus Christ that can take this.
You are not Eddie, my brother. Please, don't forget, some people are also with him on that during this period of this. So calm down.
Well, that is true. That is true. My man. Listen, I want you to calm down, alright? I want you to know that those that are for you far outweigh those that are against you. I know this for sure. It's a clear conscience, they say, has a lot of unseen soldiers. Just calm down. It is the law of nature that I know. Easy. It's alright.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you for your support at all times. What would I have done without you guys since I came back? But you're always there to hold me up. Yeah? Thank you for your support. But this whole thing has just... Now the thing at Tosagum. I just need some time to calm down and think of what to do.
That's okay. Anything for you. Bongo's easy.
Should I get
take it easy?
Fresh pan wine.
My princess. My princess, you cannot continue like this. You need to eat something. Please.
Soda, it's my father. It's my father we're talking about here. My father. The king of this land. And to compound matters, the only man that means well for this community is being accused of being responsible. How? God.
He told me that, but it's an unfounded allegation. They don't have the facts.
But the people will not say it as it is. They won't. I just knew it. I just knew that this day was going to come because of the things he said. I knew it.
My princess, how do you mean?
There was a day they were arguing here over his proposal. And he said some things that could indict him. But I know he did not mean it. He did not. I know. God.
said it. I said it, that his coming back to this village has caused more harm than good. But you did not see it.
Mind the way you talk, oh. You know Naija. So mind it before you know born Nantiki now. A man is supposed to be a mama.
What do you expect me to say? Now check it. It was his money that caused the issue we are having in our group. Now his promise has caused the death of the king and 3 other people. Who knows what will happen next? Who knows?
You see, human being can be very, very wicked. You see why some people don't like to help people. Now him money, now him make you get scholarship. You no talk about that one. Now stealing money, now him give you to when no get work for this village. People like me, now him still give us what we take to sustain ourselves for this village. You no talk about that one. Now useless matter where enemies of progress and begin to spoil the guy name anyhow. Now that one I go see carry for my head. Useless people everywhere.
Don't blame me, oh. Don't insult me, oh. Don't insult me at all. See that thing that he gave you to eat? It will not work on me. Did you hear me? It will not work on me.
Come.
Ow.
See, listen to me, I tell you something. I swear, if you talk that rubbish for this house again, I swear, waiting I go do you. See, if they are useless friends, if they don't they brainwash you, I go help you format this brain here now. If you talk this nonsense, look at this kind of nonsense here again now. And we make it damage here now. Come on, save up, my friend. Get out of this place. If wrong God, do what? Person where they give me money, why I take this sustain for this village. Now una just one swallow for me.
These men are becoming brutal. These men are becoming brutal.
I think it is time I reveal to them who I truly am.
You see, boss, I don't think that's the right move. Of course, boss, you know your training. You will not change from who you are because of a non-entity. Boss, you know who you are. So, just let us do the normal work.
But they are lying to the people, poisoning their minds. The people are buying these lies. They are frustrating my effort. All I want to do is help my people. But they are poisoning the minds of the people. Lying to them. You know? Stopping them from cooperating with me. All I want is to help my people. The money you went to town to get, is it for just me? No, not for me alone. It's for everybody.
Actually, not everyone will see your good work that will benefit everybody and just let it go.
Yes, boss. I think we should just pipe low to know their next line of action. You know, this is just an introduction.
Just call up Edwin. You got to see. Money is not his problem. You got to see.
Hey! Hey, brother! Hey! Now! You're welcome. I'm on one. You didn't know. Oh, Dogu. Oh! You're welcome. You're welcome, oh. Hey! You're welcome. Hey.
Mama, why do you worry? Agwagonga, I have told you that nobody in this country can lift my weight.
I can see that.
Much less these cockroaches in this little town. I am going to deal with them. I see that these people have beaten more than they can chew.
Exactly.
It is time to call the Atilogo dancers so that they can dance. The dance of the masquerade.
I told you, I know what you can do. Hey!
Akokaria and Achille K will hear from me.
Yes.
Bam!
They are going to hear from me.
Exactly.
Bam, brother! I support you in this one. It is high time you show them that the gentleness of a lion is not a sign of weakness.
Yes.
Makagini, what's rubbish?
Figure. Anyasa. Alert.
Hey!
They're so easy. They're so envious about my son.
Thank you,
brother.
Brother, you will show them.
God have blessed my son. The enemies won't allow my son to be. They kept disturbing my son. Haters, all your plans have failed. Oh, my son have made it. If you like, you can hug transformer for all I care.